Hey guys, today I will talk about gold. I will talk about a deeper drop, a downside continuation. If the dollar index extends its growth, if the US dollar appreciates or dominates the currency market. Risk disclaimer here, and please read it. It's important to understand the risks. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, it's important. You can like this video, you can comment right below it, you can share it. Massive sell-off on gold yesterday, but the price up erased those losses, and yeah, the US reported mixed data yesterday. Pending home sales worse than expected. Final GDP price index worse than expected. On the other hand, unemployment claims, final GDP better than expected. And today we'll have the Canadian GDP, and also the US core price index as high impact events. Also revised the University of Michigan consumer sentiment as an important event. So the fundamentals could move the markets later again, and in my opinion, better than expected US data could force the price of gold to extend its sell-off, to approach and reach new lows. Okay, so you can see here that on 4 hour, guys, that the price retested 1934, this former low, broken historical level. Here we had a triangle as a downside continuation pattern. Right now it has retested 1910, and I've told you guys that better than expected US data could signal more declines and could signal a potential deeper drop. And we have this level, historical level, 1885 as potential downside obstacle and potential downside target. Okay, and yeah, maybe in the short term it has tried to retest the immediate resistance levels, only because the dollar index retreated a little, but the downside pressure remains high, and the price of gold could extend its sell-off. In my opinion, only yeah, let's use this maybe potential channel or something like this. Yeah, in my opinion, and here on gold, if the price invalidates the supply zone, if it activates this flag pattern, then it could develop a larger rebound in the short term, and this scenario could take shape if the US reports poor economic data, yeah, worse than expected data. Okay, because if it stays below the former highs or immediate highs, and only to retest here, then it could extend its sell-off, as I've said. Okay, but don't forget that the fundamentals could move the markets, could shake the markets today, but the bias is still bearish despite temporary rebounds. As you can see here, a strong downside movement despite temporary rebounds, before extending its sell off, guys. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and don't forget to visit our YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.